Hi, I'm balloon artist Barak Dagan, and today I'm going to show you how to make a balloon dog. In order to make a dog, let's take a balloon and inflate it, leaving about 6 finger worth of uninflated balloon at the end. Okay? Now, we will start to twist the balloon from this part of the balloon, from the nozzle, and not from this part. Okay? So let's make a 4 fingers bubble. I will take my finger and thumb, pinch the balloon really tight, and then twist the balloon 3 or 4 times. Now keep in mind that you have to keep holding the 2 parts of the balloon, otherwise it will come undone. Okay? So now I will take this twist and place it here. Now I have my finger and thumb available again. And now let's twist another bubble. Same size, okay? And let's make another bubble. So now we have 3 bubbles, and we have to keep holding the 2 parts of the balloon. Otherwise, it will come undone, okay? Now let's take the first twist and the last twist. Hold them like this, and twist those 2 bubbles together. 2 times is enough, okay? And there you have the head of the dog. Now let's make the neck of the dog. I will make a round bubble here. Pinch the balloon, twist the balloon, and then place the twist here. Now let's make 2 more bubbles. That's about 4 fingers wide bubble, okay? I will keep holding the 2 parts of the balloon and then twist those 2 bubbles together. Now there you have the head of the dog and the front legs of the dog. Now let's make the body of the dog. Once again, place the twist here into your hand and then make 2 more bubbles. 1 and 2. Once again, we will take the first and the last twist and we will twist them together. And there you have your balloon dog. I love this balloon. And thank you for watching this video. And I hope you enjoyed it. And if you would like to enjoy more balloon art and great tutorials, please check my website. And please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you soon.